Claim Juicer's had some mega success with getting repairs turned into replacements, and here's how in 4 steps. But I'm gonna warn you, it takes a ton of time, learn knowledge, and then the amount of time you actually spend getting it flipped, you probably could have sold more or worked on scaling your business. These steps are after the adjustment and a repair scope has been received. So step 1, submit an approvable estimate to the carrier. Don't worry, we can juice it later. Step 2, take great photos of the damage. Make a test square, take overviews, take close-up photos and submit them to the desk adjuster. Another quick tip, make sure you get a staff adjuster and not an outsourced adjusting service like AllCat or Alacrity. Step 3, and probably the most important, build out a storyline for this project in 3 segments. Segment 1 is write out every detail you need to do for the repair, every single detail. This must be no less than a 5-page thesis. 2, compile all the code docs, unique situations, waste factor calculations, manufacturer specifications, and the missing items. This file should be absolutely massive. 3, deliver all the documents in an easy to understand email 1 day before your scheduled appointment to talk with the adjuster, which brings me up to the next step. Step 4. Set up a time to talk, and I literally mean talk to the desk adjuster. And when it comes time to talk, tell them the truth about the repair. Let them know how you can't do a repair and you're stuck. Be courteous but firm. Defend the bid and use the documents above. And remember, this is on the phone, literally talking, not via email. This is the easiest way to get a repair turned into a replacement. And don't be mean. Instead, make a connection and help the adjuster understand the issues. If they want you to do a repair attempt video, make it. It's not like you won't get paid for it. Now, if this doesn't work, send it off to a licensed public adjuster. And if you don't have time to do the steps above, let Claim Juicer handle it. Sometimes letting go is more healthy and more profitable and has created more time and opportunity for roofing companies across America. As usual, if you need a hand understanding this better, send me a message or email us info@claimjuicer.com.